What's up, JPC Gang? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Pack Cooking. That's right, it's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money. We still on our Cajun Kick, baby. The gang unit tour. Cajun Kick. Down in Louisiana today.
Working the boot.
Today we doing the jambalaya. Not the basic way though. Cheesy jambalaya stuffed fried catfish. Gonna have that creamification and that good old crispification.
Cajun Kick.
I know it's a mouthful that's gonna fill your bellies up too. That's right, baby. Don't forget the flavorification. Welcome back. This is another episode. Let's eat 77. Let's go, baby.
Get back
Cooking.
cooking.
Just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up. Jam back the shit and I just let me cook the spin to go down. With the shit so quick to get my wrist until we slow down. Let me cook, I'm whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up, just let me cook, whipping it up.
Get back cooking.
Nope. Jam Pack Cooking. Before we jump into this video, I need your help. We have competition. I need you to run over to TikTok, press that follow button. We're in a competition game. It's the first page to 1,000 followers. We just started our page 3 weeks now. We're new to the top.
TikTok.
Game. 1K giveaway at 10K. 10,000 followers, we're giving away $1,000.
Go get the money, go get the money, go get the money, go get the money.
So run over to TikTok right now.
Right now.
Smash that follow button. That's one step closer to you winning that grand, winning that stack.
$1,000 is a cool G, as we call it back home.
A cool G.
Let's go get this money.
That's all. That's all. Appreciate it. We go. What's up, gang? Welcome back, man. Listen, we can't go through Louisiana without doing catfish. Stop it.
Get some help.
Got the whole catfish. About a pound a piece of this catfish, but they fresh. Took the heads off. We didn't fillet them. We just cleaned them out real good. We finna put a marinade on them real quick. We deep frying them. We putting the crispification on the outside with all the flavorification. Yellow mustard down on our catfish. We're gonna use this as a bonder for our seasoning. Rub it all in. Make sure you get the cavity, the inside of the fish. Some say this mustard help with the tenderification, help tenderizing the catfish. I don't believe it, but I do believe is that it's gonna help all this seasoning stick. Just like that. Fish slathered down with that mustard, coming in with your seasoning. We're gonna start off with a little onion powder, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning. Now base, kicking it all the way up. Hit it with some of that magic dust. BigSmokiesBBQ.com for your magic dust. Get in with our hands, baby, and rub it all in. Got the seasoning soaking it all the way to the bone on our whole 1 pounder. Put them down for about an hour, maybe 2. Got that seasoning on these catfish. The longer it sit, the better it get, baby. Seasoning, soaking it all the way through. Let's go. Get us some of that EVOO down in the pan, about a couple tablespoons. Today we're going with the classic Holy Trinity. Bell peppers, our onions, and our celery going there. They all work together to get this jambalaya a unique flavor. Classic to Louisiana though. It's classic to this Cajun cooking.
The Holy Trinity.
We're gonna sweat these veggies down on like a medium to medium low heat. Go ahead and hit them with a good pinch of salt. Help draw all the moisture out of the veggies and help them become translucent. Key factor in this dish, andouille sausage. These people are not sponsoring me. Use your favorite andouille sausage. This is what I'm using. Got the good fat content, a little cayenne pepper. They pork sausage, yes, they got the pork in them. If you don't eat pork, then substitute it out for beef. I don't know how yours will turn out, but make it your own, baby. Let me show you how we're gonna dice these sausages, because we want everything to be about uniform. Small to medium dice on our veggies. Split them down the middle 2 times. See the fat to meat ratio, real coarse sauce. Render down all those fats, release those juices right into that jambalaya. Andouille sausage with a medium dice on it. Peppers and our onions and our celery, nice and translucent, got a little caramelization on, creamification factor to them. Gonna pull these out this pan and get them off to the side. Go in with about a tablespoon of olive oil, EVOO, going in with that andouille sauce. Put a sear on these on a real medium heat, fat rendering down. We're gonna use that to saute our chicken in. Don't be basic and start washing out your pan in between cooks and all that stuff, man. Don't do it. It's gonna create a fond in the bottom of this pan, and we all know unequal flavor, baby. 2 or 3 minutes, render some of this fat out these sauces. Slight crispification on it. Pull them off, put them in the bowl, stick them to the side with our Holy Trinity. Gotta get our chicken in here, baby. Diced chicken going down in the bowl. You can use chicken thighs. Today we using breast. We didn't get a chance to get around and get our thighs. I'd rather use the dog meat. More forgiving, stay juicy longer. These here, they don't take long, but you got to know how to cook. Season them up real quick and put a quick sear on. Cajun seasoning, garlic, onion powder, pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt. Teaspoon of olive oil in our chicken. Give it a mix real quick. Get all those flavors running through. Seasoning and soaking it through the chicken, baby. Building flavors right now. Flavorification throughout this dish. Quick sear. Look, we've been doing this every bit of a minute. I would say 1 more minute, 30 more seconds, and this chicken ready to come out. Pull it out, get it in the same bowl, with the sausage and peppers and onions. That's what this jambalaya is about, baby. It's about building flavors. I think, me personally, I think that's what Louisiana is about. That's what the culture is about. Anytime I encounter somebody from Louisiana, I can't say anything bad about it for the most part.
You got your bad out.
For the most part, man, I think it's a very loving place. Even when the time Katrina came through New Orleans, from Texas, a lot of those people came out to Texas, put our arms around them, you know, embraced the people. And it was our love from there. Just like it's a lot of love in their food. That's why they known for all the flavorification, the Cajun flavor. Last week we did those frog legs.
The exotic meat.
If you ain't seen that video, go check this video out right now. Let me get this chicken out here so I won't be basic. You want to use a long grain rice in this jambalaya. I use, you know, Uncle Ben, but you know, they not sponsoring me. Tell Uncle Ben.
Call it.
This is a 1-pot stock for your flavorification shot. Tablespoon of butter down in our skillet. 2 cups of rice right down in that butter. Toasting this rice, that's gonna give this dish another depth of flavor. We toasting in all the juices and the fats that were released from the andouille sausage, chicken, peppers, the onions. All of those flavors are still layering in this rice. They all gonna soak in this rice just from this same pan. Y'all leave it down in the comment. Is this a statewide dish, jambalaya, a Louisiana thing? Could this be a Louisiana big dog of the flavorification? One of my favorite dishes out the boot is red beans and rice, baby. With them ham hocks, all that extras in there, the pig, the oink. If you do it right, it create a different gravy, man. I did it on the channel. Put that video right here. That's one you don't wanna overlook. That's kind of one of my favorite dishes from the boot. Red beans and rice.
Jam-packed.
With the flavorification. That's why we jam-packed cooking today. Check this rice out. Slight little yellow bone. Going in with the red top, about a tablespoon of this tomato bouillon. Cajun seasoning. Go in with some tomato paste. Create a nice body and sauce to this jambalaya. Cook the raw taste out the tomato paste. Saute it in the pan with the rice for about a minute and a half. And that tomato paste also gonna help with the color. Gonna give it that good deep mahogany, rich color. Going back in the pot with the chicken, the sausage, and that holy Trinity. Give everything a mix. Let all the flavors marry together. Kick it up a notch. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the cayenne pepper. Added all the liquids that we need, H2O, a little agua. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer down for about 15-20 minutes. Liquid is gonna soak up, refortify that rice, fluffy, creamy. Finish off this jambalaya. Let's go, baby.
Jambalaya translates to mishmash or mix-up. It derives from the Spanish word jamon. It originated in Louisiana and reflects a blend of Spanish, French, African, and Native American influences. Gonzales, Louisiana is known as the jambalaya capital of the world. They have an annual jambalaya festival. It has 2 variations, a Creole and Cajun version. It's a blend of meats, rice, and seasonings.
Got it all up to 350. Drop this catfish. We're gonna pop them and drop them, baby. Make sure you get the inside. That's one of the most important parts. Shake out the excess. Whole catfish. Lord have mercy. GBD, golden brown and delicious. It don't take long, don't overcook your catfish. 5-10 minutes max. Yes, sir, the GBD, golden brown and delicious. We in the booth today, baby, and it's going down, flavorification to the max. Get ready to hit this gang unit tour, and we bringing stuff like this. Flavorification, crispification, kicked all the way up. Check this out, they swimming together. Pull them out of grease just a little bit to where they still under just a little. 75% of the way done. Cheesy, jambalaya stuffed catfish. Let's get it. Yes, sir. It's got the flavorification running through there. Chicken, the andouille sausage. Rice got the tenderification on it now. It's not overcooked. Spicification running through there. That's how you make the perfect homemade jambalaya rice, Cajun style. Put this together and show you how it works. Big old scoop of that. Right down in the middle. We're gonna stuff the middle of these. Halfway through, push that down. We said cheesy. Mozzarella cheese. You use your favorite cheese. Who don't like cheese and the seafood and the rices? Put us a few slices of the mozzarella down. Gotta make sure it's stuffed. Yeah, yes, Lord. Stuff it up, don't play with it. Kobe Jack and cheddar. Put as much cheese as you like. Dry portion, right up top.
Dang, that look good.
They tell us what we can't do and what we shouldn't do.
Just be yourself. If people don't like it, if you're being yourself, fuck them.
We doing it.
Butter make it better. Calm down. Just a couple tabs, just a couple. Don't go too much, just a couple. That's it. Couple tabs of butter up top, that's all you need. Do not do too much, gang.
I'm gonna go up in there with the butter.
Just a couple. That's a couple tabs. Louisiana style.
Couple tabs of butter.
Cheese, jambalaya stuffed fried catfish. Take some of this tinfoil, the olive oil spray, just so it won't stick. Lightly tint. One in the oven. 350, 15 minutes max. Let that butter melt. Create that creamification. Quarter sweet Vidalia onion. 1 jalapeno. Mix this down. Very fine. No big chunks in this sauce. I'm leaving the seeds in mine. We like it spicy. You want it less spicy? Then pull some of that out. Then, gang, keep up with me. Then. A hot saucepan.
Very hot.
EVOO, extra virgin olive oil. Peppers and onions. Because that's so hot, it's gonna take every bit of a minute for that to saute. Cajun seasoning. Teaspoon of worship sauce. Quarter cup of your favorite hot sauce. Unsalted butter. Karo syrup, depending on how hot you want it. Taste it now. If it's spicy enough for you, got the spicification.
Don't add it.
We going there. We gotta have it kicked up.
Cayenne pepper.
Pro tip. Add you a teaspoon of lemon pepper right now. Throw it on some wings. Best wings you gonna ever taste. Let's check where it's at. Oh yeah.
10 out of 10.
We got the crispification, creamification. So let's pull our skewer.
What did he say?
Skewer, a long piece of wood or metal used for holding food, typically meat, together during cooking.
Serve this up family style. Whole catfish stuffed in the middle with the cheesy jambalaya. 3 pounds of fish. If you're a big bag in, you might eat this by yourself.
Something in my head is telling me I have to eat the food.
Go straight down over the top with your sauce. Not base. I'm gonna go right in the middle. Oh my God. Oh, the cheese pool. Go ahead and take the first bite. You got it? Come here, come here. That's hot. What? That right there, that's that slap your mama if you know what I'm talking about.
Not the Cajun seasoning.
Flavors coming through that rice. Chicken, andouille sausage. This is one that can't be matched. JPC Gang.
Original.
Flavors that we jam-packed into that rice.
Up top.
Up top, cream of the crop. This is it. Flaky, tender, slightly crispification catfish. We're not looking for a lot of crispification. Looking for the tenderification. We want that meat, flaky, creamy. That's what we're looking for right there. That white flaky meat. You see that? Take this white flaky meat, no bone. Come here, gang. Take the first bite. You know that's got the flavorification on it. Come here, come here. God damn. Say, listen, flavor is there. It's all the way up 10.
10 out of 10.
You have another one here.
Okay.
Look, they say it's just catfish. No, it is not just catfish. This is catfish the JPC Gang way. So tender, they won't even stay on your farm.
What about the sauce?
The sauce. I put the sauce in there a while ago.
I know, yeah, the taste of
I'm looking at it. And what about the sauce?
What about the sauce?
Sauce take it up another level. Flavorification community.
The homeless community.
Holy shit. I'm trying to talk to the people. It's got the dripification. This sauce sits at the top of the mountain in the flavorification community. 10 out of 10, do recommend. I can sit here and convince you and talk to you and tell you about it all I want to. You need to do is head down there in the comments, in the description. Grab that recipe. Set that hour aside to give you plenty of time to sit back, drink your wine.
And don't whine.
Most important, don't whine. Down here in Louisiana, this food is filled with love, hugs, gang. All jokes aside, we're on our way. We got the gang unit tour. Taking the bus down to Louisiana. We're gonna tour the whole booth, tear it up, tasting all the food. Make sure the cuisine is right for the gang. You can come meet us down there. We'll drop the date. You wanna see us in your city? Leave it in the comments. And what type of dish that's known in your cities that we should try out. You in the DMV, we bringing the mumbo sauce. Chicago pizza or New York pizza.
Which one you want?
It's the gang unit tour. Starting spring 26. We hitting the road. We coming to see the gang, all right? I appreciate you for watching. I love you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed us whipping this up. We do dishes like this all the time. Consider knocking that subscribe button out. Becoming a family member. It's all love over here, baby. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you can know the next time we jamming and cooking. It's your boy Chef Ray, Mr. Money, y'all. Until next time, peace and love, baby.